Everyone hates writing. Why? Because of writer's block. Writer's block happens when you focus on creating final drafts rather than simply capturing ideas. So why do most people write this way? Because word processors aren't designed to help you organize your thoughts. This is a thought processor. It's called Speare. Speare solves this problem. Here's how it works. Whenever an idea comes to you, you record it in Speare right then and there. Once you've recorded some of your ideas, you can begin organizing them. All you do is drag and drop. Then, when you're ready, you can preview your finished work. And that's it. Speare. It's time to beat writer's block and upgrade to the thought processor.